Oh,
Hello,
how you
what's up?
doing?
I'm alright.
Wait, how old are you?
I'm 18. How old are you?
I just turned 20. I just turned 20. Excuse me. I just turned 20. But
20?
you look gorgeous. You look beautiful.
Thank you. I like your hair a lot.
I like your smile.
I like your smile.
Oh, I like everything about you already. Let me just no.
Thank-
Let me just say I like you.
I like you too.
What's your name?
Emilka.
America.
Emilka.
America. America. What part of Poland you from?
The upper part. North.
No, yeah, I don't know too much, but I want you to show me around.
Okay, sure.
Yeah,
I'll show you around.
I'm coming. You want me to come?
Yeah, come to Poland.
Hi, I'm coming to Poland. You got an extra room for me?
No, you can sleep in mine.
I can sleep with you
Yeah,
in your room.
yeah.
I am booking my flight.
No, I'm just joking. My parents would be like, what the fuck? Who is
Like,
this?
who the fuck is this nigga?
Yeah, no.